As you may recall, just a few weeks ago, I tried to maiden a plane and I had a little crash. I hate this. Walk of shame on a maiden flight. So today, I'm going to take this plane and I'm going to break out some extreme foam board engineering, and I am going to try to fix that thing up. We're going to get it back to flying condition because my brother needs a little plane to fly with wheels, needs a little wheel trainer. So I'm going to get the hot glue fired up, and I have to get this space cleaned up a little bit because it's an absolute mess. Okay. Hangar is clean enough. Still a mess. It always will be a mess. As you can see, I've got an insane amount of projects going on around here. Literally, the entire basement is full of projects. And this one right here, you're gonna see in just a few weeks. But now, let's get right to business and fix this baby up. Alright guys, finally got this thing all rebuilt and ready to fly. As you can see, it looks absolutely spectacular. I mean, when you're rebuilding planes, the more tape the better. It adds a nice texture to the plane. Like, just look at that. Beautiful. We're gonna hook up the battery, get the radio hooked up, and I'm actually also gonna do this number. As you can see, my fancy new camera. This is the Insta360 GO2, and as you can see, it is absolutely tiny. That is literally a camera. So I'm going to stick this guy, about somewhere right in here. And the deal is, if you're going to crash, you want to have the best angle possible. So I'm going to put this in here so we can see the entire plane get destroyed. So that's the goal. By the way, this thing is way overpowered now. Last time I flew it, I had a 3S battery in here. Now I've got 4S with an even bigger prop. So this thing will go vertical at about 3/4 throttle. So it'll be good. Okay, we are outside and we are battling some very severe winds, probably 15 miles an hour. Not ideal, but I think it's doable. So this thing is crazy powered. I'm just gonna take off, get me way up in the air, do some little flying around, and try to land from the west. Land in the grass. It's time to send it, man. Colin, I believe we're ready to go. Heart's pounding. Send it. Let's go. I'm glad it's got extra power. My goodness, that takeoff was hard. Dude, it's breezy. It's already flying longer than the first time I flew it. It's touchy. Wow. Oh my goodness, it's windy. All right, crash landing coming up. Landed! How's that for a short landing? Wow, that went way better than I had expected. Wow. Well, that'll do it for today's flight. Gotta wait for some better weather to get the kid flying. We got the neighbors coming to watch us fly, so I'm gonna end it here. And we'll see you in the next, hopefully successful flight.